Good morning, everyone. My name is ALDWIN RONAN A. VILLACAMPA, one of the members of Group 7, and my teammate names are CECILE MIOT and OLMOGUEZ Christine Grace. So here we are going to show you a mini 3D model of climate composing of elements such as atmosphere, hydrosphere, cryosphere, biosphere, and many more. The purpose of this model is to let you young learners have a visual ideas of what are the components of climate and how its perspective in reality and their attributes within the area. So, let's start. As you can see in the video, our resulting product figurative 3D model of climate, we designated the parts of elements of climate in this 3D model, and here it is. This is the hydrosphere. It relates to Earth's water surface. Its stream is impacted by variety in temperature and salt levels. It happens at a lot more slow rates than changes in the atmosphere. In hydrosphere, the temperature will change in fact of the influences of the temperature that it emits the sunlight to the water. Some in the salty surface of the ocean will have a warm temperature, and in the deeper level of ocean the temperature is very cold. And now as you can see, in the sea level near in the land, the temperature here is a lot more cooler due to the fact of the water temperature. It emits also a cold temperature that will help the wind to produce more cold climate. And here we have the vegetation and topography. The physical feature of land impacted environment. They influence what befalls the sun energy once it arrives at the Earth's surface. Sorts of land cover like soil, sand, or asphalt impact evaporation and temperature as plants cover. When we say the vegetations are the environment, likely the nature or the plants that surrounds on the topography means the land impact. This nature and the land impact will be influenced by the sun's energy that befalls on it, which gives a resulting of factor that the the vegetation and topography is being influenced by the climate temperature that changes over time and that will affect the animals living in it.
One of the major components of climate is atmosphere. So in this part is the atmosphere, where in short the envelope of gases surrounding the Earth or another planet. So also it is a layer of gases. So an example of this is the ozone and other layers which make up the Earth's sky, air, and gases contained inside a greenhouse. So next is biosphere. So biosphere is made up of the parts of the earth where life exists in all ecosystems, or also an area of the planet where organisms live above and below the surface of the earth. It's like for example, in these parts of the sky where we see the birds are flying, so we can consider it as part of the biosphere.